Good morning, students. Let us continue with exercise 6.4. I have already told you two mains. Now third main. AM is a median of a triangle ABC. Is AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AM? Now consider the sides of a triangles, angle ABM and angle AMC. Now here they have given you a triangle. Now I am going to, this is third one. Now I am going to take a triangle. You have to draw with the help of a scale, students. I am going to take a triangle here. A, B, C. And from here they have taken a median. Median means middle. This is M. So this and this should be equal. So according to, now what they are asking is AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AM. They are asking this question. Now we have to prove whether it is greater than 2AM or not. So now here AM is a median here, BC, ABC. Now here you find two triangles here. Yeah. See, now this is one triangle here and this is one triangle. ABM is one triangle, AMC is one triangle. Here you write triangle AMB. Another triangle AMC. This is two triangles. Now let us solve the equation. So now in first triangle you take triangle AMB. AMB means, now here you see AB plus BM is greater than AB plus BM is greater than AM. This is first equation. Now second equation you take, second triangle what? AMC, AC plus MC greater than what? AM. This is second equation. Now first equation you see two triangles we get from this figure. Angle, triangle AMB, triangle AMC. So now we have to solve this equation. Now first triangle I have taken AMB. Now here AB. Now we have to take the sum of the two lengths of triangle should be greater than the third side. So according to that property we have to see AB plus BM is greater than AM. Now when we take second triangle, AC plus MC greater than AM. So this is second equation. Now let us add both the equations. Adding equation 1 and 2. What is first equation? AB plus BM. Then second equation what? Plus AC plus MC. It should be greater than, first is what? AM plus AM. Adding we told. So now here AM, BM, AC, MC, AM plus AM is there. Now AB plus, here you see BM and BC is here. So now here, from here you take BM, then from here you take MC. Yeah, this full BM and MC. Then can we write it as BC? Yes, plus AC. Did you understand? This BM plus MC. Already here BM is there and MC is there. from BC only we have taken, in the middle of that M we have taken. So we can write it as BC. This BM and for MC I have taken this M. Both M is common there. So I have taken BC plus AC is greater than AM plus AM. How much? 2AM. So you see here AB plus BC plus CA greater than 2AM. Is it correct or not? They are asking. So now we have proved that AB plus BC plus AC is greater than 2AM. So we have proved this equation. So now we have completed third one. Now fourth one, you see ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD? Now this also they have given a quadrilateral. We have to prove whether it is correct or not. We have to see the sum of the two sides of a length of triangle is greater than the third side. So now here we shall do fourth problem. Now here I am going to take a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral, you have to draw with the help of a scale. A, B, C, D. Then from here, this is a quadrilateral. So now, what is the question here? Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD? Now we have to prove this whether it is equal or not. Now similar way as we have taken first one, you see there also. Now we will take here, how many angles are here, you see? We get 4 angles here, triangles. See here one, this is one triangle, this is one triangle, this is one triangle, this is one triangle. So what are the 4 triangles? Now I am writing here, first is triangle A, C, B. C, A, C, B. Another one triangle, you see. Next triangle what? A, D, B. This side. A, D, B. Next another triangle what? A, C, D. This side. A, C, D. Next triangle what? B, D, C. B, D, C. This is BD, this is BC. So we have got triangle, 4 triangles. Now in previous problem how we solve, same way we shall solve. Now first let us take in triangle ACB. ACB. Now this one we are taking ACB. So now AB plus BC is greater than what? AC. AC is diagonal here. This is called diagonal. So greater than AC. This is first one. Now second one what? In triangle ADB. Here we have second triangle is ADB. So ADB. ADB means what? ADB. This one. What is the diagonal here? BD. So plus DA is greater than BD. This is second equation. Now third triangle what is here? ACD. So we shall take ACD. In ACD, ACD. What is the diagonal here? AC. So AD plus DC greater than AC. This is third one. Now fourth one what? In fourth triangle what? BDC. Triangle BDC. BDC. What is the diagonal here? BD. So here what you do? DC plus BC greater than BD. This is fourth equation. So now, as we have done in previous problem, let us add the 4 equations. Adding the 4 equations. Now I am going to add 4 equations. What are the 4 equations here? AB plus BC, AB plus DA, AD plus DC plus DC plus BC greater than AC plus BD plus AC plus BD. So I am going to add these 4. What are that 4 here? AB plus BC plus AB plus DA plus AD plus DC plus BDC plus BC greater than AC plus BD plus AC plus BD. So I have added all the 4 equations. Now here you see AB is once here, AB is 1. So here AB, AB twice, BC, BC twice, DA, AD twice, DC, DC twice. So everything is twice here. So we will write it as 2 of AB plus BC plus DA plus DC greater than, here also you see AC, AC, BD, BD. So can we write it as 2 of AC plus BD. So now 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So AB plus BC plus DA plus DC greater than AC plus BD. So this is the question here you see. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA greater than AC plus BD. We have got the solution. AB plus BC plus DA plus DC greater than AC plus BD. So we have solved this equation. So with this we completed 4th problem. Now we will see 5th problem. You see ABCD is quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA less than 2 of AC plus BD. Now you have to find out. Same thing, quadrilateral only they have given, same figure only. But here we have to find out the difference. Difference means sides of the triangle, lengths of triangle is less than the third side. So we have to see whether it is correct or not. 5th one. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA less than 2 of AC plus BD. We have to find out. Now we have to take same quadrilateral as before. You have to draw with the help of a scale. A, B, C, D. This is the quadrilateral. Now we have to find out. Now here I am going to take it this middle as a 0. O, this is O. Now see how many triangles you will get here. 4 triangles you will get here. Angle AOB, angle BOC, angle AOD, angle DOA. Now here I am getting, you see, triangle AOB, triangle BOC, triangle DOC, triangle DOA. So this I have taken here in middle as O. So 4 triangles we have got. Same as we have solved previous ones, we will just go. Now in first triangle, what here? AOB. In triangle AOB, when you take AOB, OA plus OB greater than this both, AB. So this is first equation. Now second one, you see which triangle it is? BOC. Triangle BOC BO plus OC greater than BC. This is second equation. So we will take as it as a first the greater than third side. Now in third one you see which triangle is there? DOC. Triangle DOC OD, this is OD plus DC greater than OD plus this is OC. OC greater than DC. This is third equation. Fourth triangle what? DOA. Triangle DOA. DOA. OD plus OA greater than AD. This is fourth equation. Now as we have done for three previous ones, we have to add the four equations. Adding four equations. Now I am going to add all the four. You see, OA plus OB plus BO plus OC plus OD plus OC plus OD plus OA greater than AB plus BC plus DC plus AD. Yeah, here you see OA is here, OA is here, OB is here, BO is there, OC, OC, OD, OD. So same, it is 2 times. So 2 of OA plus OB plus OC plus OD. So this one we can write as 2 OA plus 2 OB plus 2 OC plus 2 OD. Can we write? Because it is in multiplication only everything. So I have taken then greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Means AD or DA, same thing only. Now here you see 2 OA, OB, OC, OD. Now what we have to do here? Now again here I am going to take as 2 of OA plus OC plus 2 of OB plus OD greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Here why I have taken 2 of, so for this both I have taken 2 as common, OA plus OC. This one, then this and this plus 2 of OB plus OD. So now we have got here OA, OC. Then O is both common here. So we get here AC. Here OB, OD. OO cancel, then BD. So now here I get 2 of AC plus 2 of BD greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Then 2 is common. So 2 of AC plus BD greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. So here you see 2 of AC plus BD greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. They are asking less than. So here we have got opposite side. Because this we have got this side, this. So now if you want AB plus BC plus CD plus DA less than 2 of AC plus BD. So this is the answer. We have got here correct answer, but here we have got greater because 2 of AC plus BD is greater than. This is same as this one, less than. Because why? Here we have got 2 of AC plus BD first. This is one side, this is third side, this is two sides. So here we have got AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than 2 of AC plus BD. So this is the answer. So fifth one I have explained to you. Students, now sixth one you see. The length of two sides of a triangle are 12 cm and 15 cm. Between what measure should the length of the third side fall? Here I have given already. I have explained to you in example 4. You can see that one and try this problem as homework. Okay. With this we have completed exercise 6.4. In tomorrow's class we can see right angle triangles and Pythagoras property. If you have any doubt with these problems, you can ask me, students. First it will be little difficult for you to understand, but when you understand, you will be able to do the problems. Okay. Thank you, students.